Hello, what's up, people? So, welcome to the day three of the tour, and right now we're in Cappadocia. So, what happened is I actually lost all my footage of the day three. So, I was filling the gaps just with my phone and my friend's phone footage. But trust me, I have the day four footage, and the visuals are amazing. We have been seen a lot of stuff. I'll post the day four soon. And as you can see, this is the view from our hostel. And Cappadocia has multiple regions to explore. And this was the hostel that we are living in, and this is the hotel. And as you can see, the infrastructure of this is really old. And as you can see, the Turkish are known for their carpets and their clothing and stuff. They are mainly known for the stitching. So as you can see, this was all the authentic stuff that they were presenting in the hotel. So it was really good. We couldn't have the lunch and dinner here because we have to explore the Cappadocia. So this is what we have seen here. So the main reason we came to Cappadocia is for the hot air balloon and the valleys. But unfortunately, as you can see, the weather is not convenient to fly the hot air balloons. So they have this air traffic control thing. So the government will tell the companies to when to fly and when not to. So they have to obey these rules to keep the company running. So we stayed there for 2 days, but both of the days it was cancelled. So we are not fortunate enough to see this amazing hot air balloon, but maybe next time, hopefully. So since the hot air balloon ride was cancelled, we asked inside our hotel and figured out what to do for the next 2 days. So they have this red region and the green region. These are the two places that to explore, and one more thing is the open air museum. So we had our lunch and breakfast at the same time because we didn't have the time to have the breakfast. So with this, we have one more place called as Open Air Museum. So right now we are going towards it. While walking towards the Open Air Museum, we got a chance to visit the Red Tour with an ATV ride. So it was usually expensive, like 70 euro, but this guy gave it for 20 euros because it's an off season, so we can understand. But still, we got it for 20 euros. We took it, and as you can see, this is the ATV which has a four-wheel bike. So we booked this ride for 1 hour later. So we were walking towards the open air museum. So while we are going, we were realized that it was just the place for tourism. There are horse rides, camel rides, and every other stuff. So it was a good experience for us. And now it's time for the ATV tour. So they prepared us for by giving a head mask and a helmet. So we prepared for it, and then we started for the ride. They told us the ride will be about 2 hours, and we are going to about four locations. Each location has its own significance. So basically, right now we are going towards the Sword Valley. As you can see, the Sword Valley has sculptures, or the mountains are scarped into the sword shape. All of them are not naturally made, they were mostly made by the man. So it was just a tourism spot since they were extracted some kind of useful material from the mountains and then just converted it into a tourism spot. So this was an off season because, as I already told you, so in the off season the prices will be less. So even the hot air balloon that I was saying, which we got it for 70 euro, 70 euros like very cheap compared to the prices if you see in the summer. If you see in the summer, it will be at least 150 euros, which is comparatively very expensive. Now we are done with the first location. So usually the every location they let us stay and take the photographs or videos for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are after we're done with the first location, we are heading towards the second location. Okay, so we've reached the second location, which is the Mushroom Valley. As you can see on the left, they resemble the shape of a mushroom. So they named this valley as a Mushroom Valley. And we explored further by going towards this inside the Mushroom Valley, and we could see just the red mountains and stuff. After this, we started towards the third location, and this was our final location because mostly the third location already has the fourth location. Fourth location is basically the sunset point view, but unfortunately we didn't have the chance to see the beautiful sunset because of the weather. As you can see, it is full of clouds. And the third location is about the Rose Valley. As you can see, the mountains glow red when the sun strikes it. So that's why it is named the Rose Valley. So with this, our red tour with the ATV is completed. So we are heading back towards this office or the place where we took the bikes. So we have to park these bikes. So we are on the queue with just like the other tourists. After we are done with this ATV tour ride, we went for a little bit of shopping. So during the shopping, we have seen some good souvenirs and we bought some. And we can even buy some jewelry, which is the Sultanite stone. More about the Sultanite stone in the next video. So unfortunately, I just lost all my data of the third day. So I was filling the blanks with whatever data I have. So I think this will be end of the video, guys. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please like and share, subscribe to my channel. This is all about the day 3. Lost the footage, but this is what we have done on the day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos. See you. Ciao. Peace.